This is my personal video when we were in Taiwan. Ang ganda talaga dito. I think it's in Buddha Garden. What is that in Taipei? When we attended one of the events, international events that year. The good thing here in Riway is you can travel. You ask, is it free from the company? No, the company is giving 10 to 70% bonuses. So for me, I started with one bottle, and then nagiging one set therapy diamond account because I want my family to take the product. It all started with that. Now I have so many accounts that from that account it earns ng mga points that I don't buy anymore, but I use the points also to buy the products for my whole family. Kasi for me, the most dreadful, yung mga nakakatakot talaga is magkasakit yung family mo. Tapos when they are already in the hospital, your only option is to find money to survive, for them to survive, or para madugtungan yung buhay nila. Pero sad to say, mayaman man or mahirap, ay wala talagang dugtong ang buhay kapag magkasakit na. So prevention is still cheaper and surer. And the good thing here is meron na tayong Oral Life stem cells in capsule. We also have presentations for you to know what is really stem cells. Kasi nga, dati ito ay injections. Now, there is a company who invested so much money for the modern technologies para ito ay magawang stem cell, magawang live inside the capsule. And because the company is MLM, multi-level marketing, it also gives us an opportunity to earn. So, yung pwede na yung next therapy mo coming from your bonuses.